Holiday light display in West Palm Beach is now in need of a big cleanup because of storm damage just days before its debut.
We're talking about the Lights for Hope holiday drive-through show at Okeechobee Park. Ari Heights spoke with the organizer about how they're moving forward after the storm.
You can see a lot of the lights here at Okeechobee Park either were not damaged or have since been repaired. But then there's stuff like this, which is beyond repair. But the organizers here tell me, don't worry, things might be a little bit delayed, but they promise the show will still go on. Long after the sun went down,
there's a couple glitches in the programming.
The repair team from Lights for Hope was at Okeechobee Park trying to get the lights back up.
We have power over here now, right?
Trying to fix what Mother Nature had broken.
The best way to eat a large item is one bite at a time. And I made that joke here, and that's what we're doing. One bite at a time, we're working through it.
Working through damage like this. High winds early Thursday morning left much of the holiday lights display bent and flattened, tossed around the park. The power shorted out.
We have what was a beautiful about 32 by 14 screen.
A screen that featured moving characters and flashing lights.
Something like this, they're going to have to start over.
And that's what they've been doing all day and all night.
No, you guys are good. Everything's looking great up here, and we'll just keep rolling.
Fixing the lights one attraction at a time. Their motivation? Money raised from these holiday lights goes to local families coping with a child's terminal illness or life-changing injury.
I don't think there's any other job I would push through some of the struggles that we go through with this if it wasn't for helping other people.
And that's what makes it all worth it.
One more down and about 900 more to go.
And they'll be here until all the lights are lit. The light show was supposed to start on Friday, but that is clearly not going to happen. So they are working nonstop and believe they should have everything ready to go by Saturday. For a full schedule of when you can see these lights, check out our website, WPBF.com. In Okeechobee Park, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.